Hi everyone, it's Lori Pinto from Lollipop Paper and Lollipop Paper and Ink. I wanted to pop on really quick today to share a little tip for you of coloring the organza ribbon. This is the white, Whisper White organza ribbon that is from the Occasions catalog. And my first couple of trips through the catalog, I did pass it over too. It's a little hard to see, but it's part of the Petal Palette suite, and you can see it's right there with that little rose. It's a 1/4 inch Whisper White organza ribbon, and it colors up beautifully to match any cardstock or ink or any color that you're working with. So let me show you a few ways that I did it. My first way would be to use the the blends markers, which I love anyway. But so what I do is I just put it, just to give myself a little bit of an angle, I put it on my foam mat, and this is all you have to do. Now this, wrong side. These are the alcohol markers, so these are going to dry so quickly that you'll be able to use it right away. So watch this. Look at that. This is the Old Olive, and look how beautiful that comes out. And it's just the perfect color. Now, if you wanted to, if you're just wrapping it around a card, you'd only have to use one side. But if you wanted to make a bow, I would do both sides just to make sure that you have it wrapped around properly. Whoops. And you can just see how easy and how beautiful that color is. And so that's Old Olive. And I had one that I already made because I wanted to show you how great the color is. I mean, this is the Old Olive cardstock. It could not match any more perfectly. And so you could just use any Stampin' Blends color that you have, and it would match. Another way, if you don't have the blends, then you could use the Stampin' Write markers, and same premise. You just roll it on, and I just use the mat just to, it gives me a little bit of an angle. This is the Powder Pink, one of the newer in colors, and whoop, you can just see it just fills in the whole area, and it just highlights it with the border that you have there. Now this is water-based, so this is going to take a little bit longer to dry. I would do the same thing though, and I would do both sides. And I did do one of these before to show you, so I didn't want to have to make another knot, another bow with this one, because it is a little wet, and you can feel it. It's just a little tiny bit sticky. But this is what I did the other day, and look how pretty that is. And look at the match. I mean, so there's no reason not to use a ribbon on any of your cards if you don't have the exact color. Let me show you one more way. Oh, I wanted to show you the Old Olive. Look at how this blends. It's as if you just ordered that exact color ribbon. I mean, isn't that perfect? I'm so excited about this. It's a little silly. Okay, so let me do one more, and this time we're going to just use a stamp pad. If you don't have the blends or the right markers, you just use a stamp pad. I'll take another little piece, and you could also do this with clear glitter pens or anything like that. It just really picks up the color really nice. So here what I'm going to do is just lay it across. This I used this one I used Wisteria Wonder, and I'm just going to press it in and pull it through, and there you go. Look how pretty that is. And then I'll do the other side, and this is just, I mean, I'm just using this little dauber to keep my fingers as clean as possible. But, oh my gosh, look at this, how pretty that looks. I just love it. Here is the Wisteria Wonder paper. I mean, It's a perfect match every time. So the good thing also is that I have this organza ribbon as my host code incentive this month. So if you go to my blog and you purchase $75 or more and use the host code, which you'll see it on the blog on the sidebar, but if you can't, then you see, oops, it's upside down. Okay, where is it? There we go. So anyway, I just wanted to make sure that you see the host code. If you use that, I'll send you one of these organza ribbons for free, and you can start playing with them. But if you don't want to wait that long, go ahead and order it. It's not that expensive, and like I said, it's part of that petal palette suite, and you're gonna love it, and you're not going to need any other ribbon as far as I'm concerned for a while, because this colors up so nicely. Okay, that's it for today. I just wanted to share that tip with you. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back next time.